when she said that, I was like, you know, this is destructive advice that modern day women give each other. Like, oh, just push back marriage. It's okay. No big deal. And it's like, no, bro, you can't compete. You know, Mother Nature gives you your gifts. Father Time takes them away as a woman. That's the reality.
That's kind of like the conversation that we were having a few months ago, where it was the older you get as a woman, the more your chances dwindle of having of being married,
your negotiating power goes down.
Of having a child,
your negotiating power, your leverage goes down.
Right. Nobody's gonna want to have a kid with you when you're 36.